to today's project. It's cold and windy outside, so I'm retreating to the shop to do a service on this wood splitter. But first, let's get some heat going. Now that I've got the shop warmed up, let's get started. Here's our supplies for the project: oil, oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, spark plugs. OEM's always the best way to go in my opinion. A few more pennies up front, but peace of mind that lasts. This is a Timberwolf TW-6 log splitter. This is the original Timberwolf out of Vermont before they were purchased by Automated Biomass Systems in 2017. This one's comparable to today's Alpha 6. It's powered by a 20.8 horsepower Honda GX630 4-stroke. It's got electric start, hour meter, all that good stuff. Fitted with 20-gallon hydraulic tank, 22-gallon per minute pump, 5-inch cylinder with 24-inch stroke. Puts out about 28 tons of splitting force. It's not super fast, but it's super powerful. Cycle time's around 8 seconds. It's got a hydraulic log lift, hydraulic wedge lift. It's got a slip-on 4-way, 6-way, and I think they made an 8-way as well, but don't quote me on that. Also, it's got a slip-on sorting table. These older TW6 are absolute beasts in any type of wood. I've seen this one push straight through tough crotch wood like butter. If it won't split it, most of the time it just shears the wood in half. So as I said earlier, just a routine service for this old workhorse today. The frame of the splitter has a nice hole right below the oil drain that lets the oil go right through to the catch pan. Well, most of it. No rust here. I always like to sit the oil cap where I can see it as a reminder there's no oil in the motor. You definitely don't want to make that mistake. You gotta love these spin-on filters on these Honda GX motors. Out with the old, in with the new. And now we just replace the oil plug and tighten her up. And my favorite part, a little brake cleaner to get everything cleaned up and looking like new again. Awful satisfying. Two new quarts of 10W30. Manual says 2.1, but 2 was dead on for me. Would you believe I made both those on the first try? Yeah, me either. Anyway, oil's right where it's supposed to be. And a new air filter, because it's awful dusty around the wood yard. Just a standard inline fuel filter. Easy access, easy to change. We always use non-ethanol in this machine. Apologies for the wind noise. It's blowing pretty good outside. dispose of properly. Couple fresh spark plugs. Come to think of it, I believe these are the originals, and it shows 28 to 31 thousandths, I believe, is the gap on these, if you're following along on your machine. Time to test her out. Everything looks good and works as it should. Now that we've got her back in fighting shape, let's go run a bit of wood through her. Hydraulic log lift is such a back saver for sure, especially being able to roll large rounds right onto it without picking them up. Also makes a great workspace to stack pieces to be split. My back still prefers a vertical splitter that I don't have to hunch over, especially when splitting for long periods. The build quality and materials on the splitter just feel heavy duty. You really get the sense of its sheer power when you're running it, even for just a short period of time. This machine really is hard to beat, especially for big tree service wood and the really gnarly stuff that most folks pass over. Gotta love a combustion engine and hydraulics. The TW-6 is definitely overkill for the small split stuff I'm working on today, but it definitely made short work of this pile. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next project.